Happy Friday, May 22nd. I'm Aaron Norris with the Norris Group, and let's get to the biggest headlines in real estate. Builder confidence slipped slightly in May to 54, but anything over 50 is solid according to the National Association of Home Builders. But housing starts increased 20.2% in April, now at its highest since 2007, so maybe those will translate to higher confidence numbers later in the year. Mortgage delinquency rates are at 2.95%, the first time they have been below 3% since prior to the financial crisis. The median home price in California is now at $400,000, its highest in 8 years, and mortgage rates have shown little change with 30-year rates at 3.84% and 15-year rates at 3.05%. Research by Freddie Mac and Harris Poll disproves a long-held theory that increasing rents drive more people to home ownership. Well, over 2,000 people were surveyed by Harris Poll, and it shows that rising rents are a function of increasing demand on rentals, but doesn't equate to more people wanting to do home ownership. Go figure. Rents rose 3.6% in 2014 and are expected to increase this year by 3.4%. More than 1/3 of U.S. households rent their homes, so maybe you ought to buy a few. It turns out that some investors are anxious for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to be out of Fed control so they can cash in on the turnaround. However, Jim Perot with the Urban Land Institute and Mark Zandi with Moody's says privatizing the GSEs could cause rates to spike by as much as 1%, since they'd have to recapitalize, which would cost money, and those costs would be passed on to consumers, and especially consumers with higher risk levels, they'd have to pay probably even more. Auction.com is brushing off its Mandarin speaking skills and partnering with Jiawei.com, hope I'm saying that right because I don't speak Mandarin, to offer Chinese investors access to properties in the U.S. Jiawei.com says that they have 2.6 million monthly users and plan to present more commercial offerings here in the United States with this new partnership. Chinese bought a total of $39 billion in global real estate assets in 2014, and that's up from $92 million in 2008. So a huge increase and probably a really big partnership. That's it for the headlines today, but you can find many more on our website at thenorrisgroup.com/blog. Please subscribe. Did we miss anything? Leave a comment. Let us know and we'll add it to the blog. Up on the radio show this week, we've got Ward Hanigan, foreclosure specialist with Innovest Resource Management. Longtime friend. Gotta love me some Ward. June 4th, we're going to be doing the 18th Annual Inland Empire Market Trend Seminar with the Southern California Appraisal Institute. June 6th, the Cutting Edge Financial Tactics Brunch with Keystone CPA and UDirect IRA. July 21st to 23rd, we'll be doing the Norris Group's Property Buying Bootcamp right here in our office in Riverside. Would love to have you join us. And October 16th, mark your calendars. I Survived Real Estate 2015. We are currently putting together an awesome panel, and this is our annual fundraiser to raise money for Make-A-Wish and St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. If you haven't checked out our awesome hard money lending programs, check out thenorrisgroup.com. We have a fix and flip, a buy and hold that is now 6.9% for 3 years, which is really exciting and unheard of in our industry. And of course, new construction. Check that out at thenorrisgroup.com. If you're looking for a more passive investing opportunity with trust deeds, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. With that, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.